Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. We're going to be trying on another headband wig today, and this one was sent to me from Wowigs. Thank you so much to them for sending this one out to me. So yeah, you guys, let's just head right into unboxing this baby. The package came with this stock card that has different type of headband wigs that they have, and it also comes with the care guide for the unit as well. And yeah, you guys, we have a lot of stunning ladies in here, so we're just going to head right into the one that we have. The unit comes in this very cute pink sateen bag, and this is going to be very nice to store your wigs in. So we're just going to head right into it to see what we have. So this is what we have straight out of the pack, and this is their 20-inch Viola highlighted loose wave headband wig. Loving the color on this one, absolutely stunning. The color is just doing it for me right now, and it also feels very soft. This is it straight out of the pack. I've not done anything to it. It comes with 3 combs in front, 1 comb at the back, and we also have detachable straps as well. So yeah, we're just going to head right into styling, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. And before I take off this one, just in case you're interested in this one that I have on, I've also done a review on it a while ago. I'm going to leave a card right here so you can click on the so you can click on the card to watch the video, and I'm probably going to drop it in my description box and in my comment section as well, so you can find it there if you're interested.
What you can do, make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with.
Alright you guys, so this is what we have after styling. I literally didn't do nothing besides pop her on my head and just use a headband, and that was pretty much all that I did for styling. That's one reason why I love headband wigs. They're super easy to style, no stress, no drama, just pop on your head and be right out the door kind of vibe. And there's not much to say about her. I'm in love with the color on this unit and the texture as well. I could run my fingers through this all day. This is absolutely stunning and soft. Love it. And for shedding and tangling on her, I didn't really experience any form of shedding with this one. This is extremely soft, no form of tangling at all with her as well. And there's not much to say, you guys. She's just a pop on your head and go right kind of vibe. The only thing that I would change about this wig, if I could, I would have loved it if it was a bit fuller, because you guys already know me, I love full units, and I feel like this one could be a bit fuller and she would have been like a hit for me. But she's still a very nice wig regardless, don't get me wrong. Love it, love the texture, love the color, already said that. And yeah, you guys, there's not much to say. If you're looking for a pop on your head and go kind of vibe, maybe an everyday wig or something to just wear and be right out the door on the days when you don't have time to lay your units down and all of that good stuff. If you're looking to protect your edges and you don't have edges like some of us right here, you might want to get into headband wigs, and this is definitely a good one to start with. Love it, love the texture, everything about this one, color, gorgeous, and all of that good stuff. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I'm pretty sure that this video is going to be extremely short because it was just a pop on your head, brush her out, and all of that good stuff, and that was pretty much it. There's really not much to say about her. She's speaking for herself, and I think she's definitely worth your coins in my opinion. Love it, love the texture, love the color, love everything about this one. And I'm going to have the direct link in my description box in case you're interested. You find it there. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, share with your family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.